the business as riffs, and then he would put a simple drum pattern to it. And in the next verse, I'll speak to them a bit more about their techniques and methods. We've gone to the West Midlands to meet cult pop group the Nightingales and find out how they wrote one of the songs for their new record. I went to their rehearsal room and spoke with band leader Robert Lloyd. He told me that they normally start with 2 or 3 modest guitar riffs before the drummer puts 1 or 2 simple drum patterns. I'll make up some words, or I may have written them, but that's getting rarer and rarer these days, he said. They'd be forming an arrangement. And I said, well, in the next verse, can I quiz you a little bit more about how the band works? Previously, we'd established we'd gone to Wolverhampton to meet cult West Midlands pop combo the Nightingales and find out how they wrote one of their songs. We'd already learned that they normally start off with 2 or 3 simple guitar patterns, and then the drummer adds a little bit of a beat. So I wanted to find out what was special about the Nightingales, and I talked to Robert Lloyd in their rehearsal room, and he told me, he said, in my opinion, the Nightingales are sonically more interesting than most other combos of the same ilk, and which I found rather arrogant. I said to him, can you explain yourself? He said, well, a lot of bands. Oh, you two. If you want to have a conversation, go outside. Yeah. They're pissing me off now. He said to me, fuck you, really. He said to me, yeah, what you'll find with a lot of bands is that they have what they call their sound. And every time you hear a record by them, it's kind of 3 minutes of the same noise. Punters seem to like it, but I don't. With the Nightingales, we just do what we want. We go up and down. Sometimes it's loud, but sometimes it's quiet. With this band playing in the background, he said to me, you know this, we've got this trick that we do. We do it on every LP. And we do it once or twice in every concert. Thankfully, the audience on this tour, we're only doing it once.
Hey.
So, but what we do is 2/3 of the way through a song, the band get quieter and quieter, while I mumble something over the top. And then I give them a hand signal or a verbal signal, or sometimes it's just left to the man to guess. But they go loud again. He said to me, it's a little bit pathetic really. He would say, you wouldn't believe how easy it is to fool an audience with such a modest trick, but it works every time. So we might as well do it now.